Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Close Firefox and give it a moment so locks clear. Once done, make sure your disk has at least 100 MB free. Low space can corrupt writes. Next, open About, Support and click Open Profile folder so you can inspect core files. You'll need to find Session Store, JSONs4 and Parent. Lock. These are the files that commonly trigger PR end of file error when they are truncated or inaccessible. Now you'll repair the session data. First, move Session Store, JSONs4 into a backup folder so you preserve the last state, do not delete forever. Then check Session Store backups for previous Session Store files, copy the most recent one into the profile root and rename it Session Store. JSONs4 if needed. Make sure to delete parent, lock or any. Lock files. Once removed, Firefox can rebuild state files on restart. This sequence fixes file corruption without losing all tabs. Finish by restarting Firefox normally. You should see your restored session. If errors linger, start in safe mode to rule out extensions. This disables add-ons and acceleration so you can isolate causes. If the profile is damaged beyond repair, create a new profile and import bookmarks or important files from the backup profile folder. As a key troubleshooting tip, if corruption repeats, test on a fresh Firefox install.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.